In this question, we have to find the magnitudes of A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Those are respective hypotenuse of each triangles. Okay, let's try to work on our first problem. Okay, let's find the A. Okay, A measurement, that means the hypotenuse of this triangle. Why we are taking this triangle as first? Because we know the adjacent side and opposite side. We know two sides magnitudes. By using those measurements, we can easily find our hypotenuse. So, we can use Pythagoras theorem. Okay, according to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equals to opposite side square plus adjacent side square. So, A square equals to 1 square means 1 plus 1 square means again 1. A square equals to 2. But our question is not about to find A square. We have to find the magnitude of A. Okay, to find A, if there is any square function here, to oppose that, we have to find the square root of next value. Okay, this is very important thing. You should understand this one clearly. If there is any square here, we have to find only A value. No? We need a singular value. For that, this is in parallel form. Okay, this is in parallel form. So, we only need the singular value. So, that means singular value means A to the power of 1. So, to oppose that, if there is any square, when we take that to another side of the equation, that will become square root of 2. Okay, square root of that value. So, A is square root of 2 centimeters. Okay, we found our A as square root of 2 centimeters. Okay, fine. Then let's try to find our B value. Okay, B value. Similar like this one. Okay, let's use this triangle. In this triangle, hypotenuse is our B. So, B square equals to this square root of 2 square. Square root of 2 square plus this side, that is 1. 1 square. Square root of 2 square plus 1 square. So, B square equals to, I already explained you how to find this. Okay, for a particular numbers, square roots square. Okay, particular numbers, square roots square should be the exact same number. Should be exact same number. So, that's going to be 2 plus 1 square is 1. Here we found B square as 3. Okay, B square equals to 3. That's not our question. You have to find the singular value. That means B is going to be equals to square root of 3 centimeters. That's all. Okay, it's very easy. Just look at this red color triangle. The adjacent side is square root of 2 centimeters. Okay, the opposite side is 1 centimeters. Both of their squares equals to hypotenuse square. So, B square equals to square root of 2 square plus 1 square. Square root of 2 square. For a particular numbers, square roots square should be the exact same number. Because square root and square will give you the exact same number. Because why we are doing that, I'll explain little more. Square root means the power of half. Okay, square root means power of half. That should be multiplied with the power of 2. Power of 2. The square root means power half. Square means power 2. Both of these are in multiplication. So, when we simplify these two and these two can be simplified. So, 2 to the power of 1. Okay, 2 to the power of 1 will give you 2. Will give you 2. That's all for explanation for this question. Okay, likewise by using that, here B square equals to 2 plus 3. That is 3. B square equals to 3. So, B is square root of 3. B is square root of 3. Likewise, when you find the remaining values also, you can find square root of 4, square root of 5, square root of 6. Likewise, you can find the remaining values also. Let's discuss one more incident. Yes, in this blue color triangle, let's use our Pythagoras theorem. Okay, here our hypotenuse is C. So, C square equals to square root of 3 square plus 1 square. So, square root of 3 square means square root square. These two can be deducted. So, 3 plus 1 square is 1. C square equals to 4. So our C should be square root of 4. Square root of 4 centimeters. But in this case, as we already know, square root of 4. Hence, 4 is a square number. Okay, hence 4 is a square number. Square root of 4 should be equals to 2 centimeters. Square root of 2 should be equals to 2 centimeters because 4 is a square number. 4 is a square number. Otherwise, if you don't know how to convert square number to square root, okay, or square root to square number, just leave it. Okay, you can keep it as it is. You can keep it as it is. C is gonna be equals to square root of 4. Okay, if you want, you can substitute that one also. Square root of 4. Or if you know how to convert square root to a particular value, okay, hence the square root, okay, inside of the square root we have a square number, perfect square. So this is 2 centimeters. You can write any of these answers. Once 2 centimeters or square root of 4. Likewise, the remaining values. This one should be square root of 5. This one square root of 6. This is square root of 7. Finally, this one should be equals to square root of 8. Okay, square root of 8. It's not difficult. This question is testing your Pythagoras knowledge. Okay, Pythagoras theorem's knowledge. If you understood the theorem well, you can easily do this. Okay, when you found three relationship, then you understood all of these measurements are 1. Okay, all of these measurements are 1. So we can predict the remaining hypotenuse. Okay, remaining hypotenuse. This is square root of 2. Okay, square root of 2. This is square root of 3. This one square root of 4. Similarly, this square root of 5, square root of 6, square root of 7, and finally square root of 8. This is the way you can do this question. But in this, okay, there is an exception here. In here, you can use both of these, any of these, okay. If you want, you can use 2 centimeters, or else if you don't know this value, it's okay. You can keep it as square root of 4 centimeters. But another mistake students mostly doing that is they'll write something like this, square root of 4 centimeters. Inside the square root, they'll indicate the centimeters. That's totally wrong because there is no any square root for this centimeter. Centimeter is the measurement, okay? There is no any square root for measurements. So, we have to write clearly square root of 4 centimeters separately. This is the way you should do your question. That's all.